How's it going, guys? I'm Soul Survivor 610 coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing an interesting review of the Shy Pink Retro 5s. Okay guys, so this pair is a really special pair of shoes to me. It's my favorite Jordan of all time, I'd say. Super slept on. Most people don't know it exists, but my favorite color is pink, and I really like the way that Jordan kind of toned it down on a colorway and threw it in here. So as you can see, it comes in the silver box. These were released in 2006, so these are a pair from the early 2000s. Honestly, I love early 2000s Jordans. I think the quality in them was so much better than anything they put out today, and more importantly, like, the colorways are crazy. Like, you have so many slept-on colorways in the early 2000s in every single silhouette. I mean, for the 5s alone, you have like the UNCs, the Olives, the De La Souls, the Burgundies, the Sunset 5s. There's just a whole mess of colorways that came out. So these are a women's exclusive, that's why it said, I think, size 12. Yeah, so these are size 12. Took me a while to hunt these down. There's not really many pairs left. Both of mine are worn, but they're in good condition. So here we go. These are the Shy Pink Retro 5s. So my first thoughts on this when I saw it for the first time was, I understand why this is a forgotten colorway. I mean, 90% of the shoe is just gray. There's not really much to it. The pink on it too, you know, normally when you think of the color pink, you think of something that really pops and is eye-catching, but like I said, this is a really toned-down colorway, but I love it. I really feel like they just hit the nail on the head with this one. I mean, you can honestly wear this with anything. You can kind of dress it up, you can dress it down. It's just a really clean colorway. But when you get into the materials on it, the whole upper is just kind of like gray, like nubuck. It's kind of nice. I mean, it's gonna crease, but I would say that it is more forgiving than like Fire Red 5 leather on the toe cap, if you know what I mean. So yes, these are gonna crease and wear, but you know, these are low-key heavily worn, and there's not really any signs of creasing that you can see. So you know, these hold up. Like I said, since they're from 06, they are kind of aging. The soles are all yellow, as you can see. I do have the little retro card that comes with it, so that's the front and that is the back. I'm not sure if it's focusing on this, but it's not really that important. But you know, we do keep them in the little protector cases. Both of my pairs are starting to have a little bit of like sole separation, but that's kind of just like an easy fix. Let me put my other pair. So this is the one pair of 5s. Shout out to my boy Matthew for these. And then these, actually no, these are from Matthew. Shout out to Matthew for these. And then that's from eBay. These are my two pairs of Shy Pink 5s. So these are bigger than these. I think that these are like a 12.5 or something, but love both of these. I honestly would get a third and fourth pair if I could, because I really think that these are just gonna get increasingly harder to get. But as you can see, like I said, from aging, the netting on the sides is yellow, and that kind of just goes for both pairs. The bottoms are yellow, but like I said, I love the way that they put the bottoms on the earlier 5s. These weren't like a blue icy when they were brand new, if you know what I mean. They were just straight clear. So now that they've been worn, they're kind of getting this nice yellow color, not like the piss yellow color that you get from, you know, a blue clear outsole. And then I just love the little pink Jumpman right there too. I think that's a dope touch. Honestly, everything they did on this was so cool. Like, you have the little pink lace locks, which is really nice. The whole inside's pink too, which I think is awesome. The whole sock liner's pink. So these aren't really a crazy colorway. I just wanted to show you guys something that's special to me, something I pride myself on. Got a lot of early 2000s Jordans in this collection, but I think that these are something that a lot of sneakerheads should try and have in their collection. It's super rare that you get pink in a Jordan colorway. It's even more rare when it's in a toned down color like this. I feel like when Jordan tries to throw in like pink and unusual colors, they just make it really loud, which is, you know, it's fine for some pairs, but it's really nice to have a toned down pair for these. So as I was saying, with aging, this pair is actually sole separating, if you guys can see that. Right where the air bubble is, the soles are starting to come off. Probably just gonna have to glue them on myself. I have some shoe cement and everything in the house. If you like this video, please, like, subscribe. Please get me to 100 subscribers. Leave a comment and let me know what your favorite early 2000s Jordan is, because there are so many that are just forgotten. And as always, thank you guys for watching.